incorrect way. This also incorrect way. Only two parallel lines. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Up and down. Don't stay at the one point. 1 up, down, 2, 3 up, down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, 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 turn. Don't bend your elbows during this exercise. Try it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. I guess you understand what I mean. When we make a hip circle, our hips go behind our feet. For example, put your feet on the distance and try to do shimmy this way. Most of my students feel vibrations better in this position. So let's add chest circle in modern way. Looks like this. You see that modern way of chest circle looks more amplitude. All over the world, belly dancers and 2 and 3 and 4. If you feel your lower back is also dance, so fix it and try it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 4, I really tight. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. In this pose, there is a big tension in your lower back. Is this really hurts to your health? Your knees make a cross, so you need to turn your feet a little bit outside. If you feel your knees go different ways, so please turn it a little bit inside.
مسيطرة همشيك مسطرة حذرتك منها وعليك ازاي هتلمها انا قلبتي ما انتش قدها انا واحدة الغيرة في دمها اسمع لو بصيت برا هزعلك مسيطرة همشيك مسطرة ايوه انا مسيطرة يا حتة سكرة